feel like this is more of a glam kind of look. Like I would wear this if I was going out to like dinner or something on my Tinder date. I'm Melody Padilla, 2 months in the Grabber esthetician program. I'm about to do a full face makeup with a halo-esque eyeshadow. I'm just using eyeshadow primer right now so the eyeshadow can stay on and last throughout the day. And I like to do the foundation after I do the eyeshadow, because if you do the eyeshadow after your foundation, I feel like it falls into your foundation and that's just a waste. And I'm just using this white tone in this one to like set it so the colors blend together. If you want to experiment, like use all the colors you have, like use bright blues, bright yellows, really have your eyes popping. Blending is the key to makeup. I'm doing the concealer to get that like circular kind of look at the top. I just added a gold in the middle just because I felt like it. The glitter isn't actually necessary for it because you can use like the matte shades if you want to put that instead. But I think it looks cooler with glitter. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. It's a liquid and it's a brush tip. I like to bring it from the top and come to the bottom and then just fill it in is what I like to do. This is eyeshadow, I'm just going under her eye really quick. I'm doing the inner corner highlight. And I'm using a different eyeshadow palette and it just really makes your eyes pop. Now I'm going to use the setting spray. Alright, we just let it sit and that's good. And that's how you do a full face halo-esque makeup look.